Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is what, May the 6th, 2021. We're here to give you all a price prediction update in the market for Amazon. You guys guessed it. You guys can see we already did a price prediction in the market for this stock in anticipation for it to make all-time highs. You guys can go back and listen to our video from April the 10th. We told you that the market was going to make all-time highs right before anyone else was talking about that. Right, we was already in position expecting the market in Amazon to try to make all-time highs, and it did right here on April the 30th. The market in Amazon made all-time highs. It wasn't extremely high. I mean, the market back here on September the 2nd, 2020 made a high of $3,552.25. The all-time high was on April the 30th, which was $3,554. So about $2 difference from that all-time high previously in September. But we were there. We was waiting on the market to actually make the all-time high. We were sitting in position, chilling, relaxing, waiting for the trap to take the price up there so we can grab the bag. That's about 5% right there. Plain and simple. So now, if you want to learn more, if you want to participate, if you want to see our price predictions on a continual basis, make sure before you leave, hit the like button, share, subscribe, and also come back again and again, because there is so much confusion going on in the market that many people play on only to be let down. Okay, because during this particular time, I was seeing videos and reading articles to where people was talking about Amazon having a stock split, and that it was going to bring in a lot of interest, a lot of demand, and people would come in and purchase this particular product under the premise that they was going to have a stock split, and nobody's talking about it anymore, right? So you really need to just focus in on the price. People chase the price. That is the only thing that is important in the stock market. It's not about whether or not Amazon is going to exceed these analysts' expectations on their earnings. It doesn't matter about the next product that they're coming out with. It doesn't even matter about technical indicators. Price is the only thing that matters. You want to get in at a good price. You want to leave at an excellent price on profit. That's it. So let's go ahead and take this away. 5% done. So now we are under. We're going to go ahead and give you all the idea as to where the price in Amazon is going to go next. As you all can tell, the market is coming right back into our trading channel, and in all actuality, we can now increase that restriction area in the market in Amazon, which is all the way up here towards all-time highs. This is where the market came and tagged that area twice. Okay, so now we got a pretty wide area in the market for Amazon to where this price has been contained. We just seeing this market continually bounce in between these lines, right? We haven't broken it. So this is the current environment. You know, this is what we're really on the lookout for from the trap in relation to where Amazon is anticipated to go. We recently seen the market hit the top of our channel. So obviously within this trading range, we're expecting the market in Amazon to move lower. You know, that needs to be our initial thought process for this market in Amazon, that we're going to see lower prices. So really we need to anticipate how low the market can go in relation to this weakness. Okay, we're not telling that the market's going to completely fall out and drop below $2,900. Not yet. Okay, I am seeing some areas of support within this trading range for Amazon. Preferably, the first one's around $3,200. Next one is definitely around $3,100 is the strongest area of support from where the last trade was on yesterday in the market for Amazon. Okay, so now this is the 2-day time frame, and as always, when we look at these price charts, the first indication we always need to pay attention to is the type of volume, right? And when the market made all-time highs is the same day that the earnings reports came out. And this is not the reason why the market saw all this volume. No, the trap plays on this type of information because he knows that individuals pays attention to the earnings release and what type of earnings per share did they actually have versus what the analysts were talking about. So he really had a field day in the market in Amazon right there on April the 29th. He really handled his business. The volume definitely is coming through. And you can see the result. The market in Amazon continued to see falling prices. Okay. You can see it. So now, the market is weak in Amazon. It is what it is. There's nothing that you can do. There's nothing that I can do to change it or adjust it. The only thing we can do is get in position and win. That's it. Okay. So the last completed 3-day price bar, which is right here, the market, in fact, well, this is right here. The market did close lower. We got a day and 10 hours left on this current one, and the market actually has reacted negatively to it. It's weak, but what we're seeing is that weakness is subsiding somewhat in the market for Amazon. Now, this is the 5-day. The 5-day time frame has just gotten completed, right? And take a look at the market where we closed. In connection with the volume, what do y'all expect this market to do? Exactly. You still expect the market to go lower in price. I don't know what else to tell you. The market in Amazon is still giving us some weakness. So we said that the first area of support was already around $3,200. So we will have to come in and try to TP out the market, or at least take some profit off the table right there in Amazon around $3,200. That's only 2%. But that beats losing in the market, right? Because we can understand that this is where price can prop itself up. And then we can see the continuation of market moving higher. So just before the market was to move higher in price, we'll come in and take the bag and let the market go up to where it needs to go, right? I'm going to hold the restriction area into the market in Amazon right there around $3,425. Told you, real area support is all the way back down here towards $3,100. So that's still a 5% market movement to the downside that we can see in Amazon. And that's just the initial phase. Okay. In the next day and 10 hours, if we still look the way that the market price bar looks, if it still looks this way, then we're going to ultimately break below $3,100 and come maybe around $3,050 back down to $3,000 even. Okay. So here we are. We're going to play that. Market here in Amazon is giving some weakness. It's just that simple. We're expecting the price to drop. And how low? First area TP, $3,200. Second area is $31. That's it. We're in position. We sit back, we relax, and every once in a while we come in to see what the market has done, to see if we need to make any adjustments. But so far, from what the trap has shown us on these varying time frames, the market in Amazon is still anticipated to go lower. So now, I want to know, what are you seeing in the market for Amazon? Are you expecting this price to drop? Are you expecting this market to trade sideways, still within our trading channel? Or do you expect the market to break down? Let me know. Drop the comment in the comment section and let me know what you all think about Amazon and where will price be in the next 2 weeks. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.